Guys, today we are going to talk about typecasting in a Python. Typecasting is a nothing but process of converting one data types into the another. There are four major data types in a Python, which is a string, integers, float, and a boolean. So typecasting we do using the built-in functions. Built-in functions, which is functions already present into Python. That is the string is function already present, integer function present, boolean float function present, and a boolean function present. So consider we have considered the four variable, which is the company is the string variable, package is integer variable, experience is a float variable which contain the decimal value, got and this is the got place is a boolean variable which contain the true or the false value. So first we will print the type of that variable. So we have printing the type of four variable which is given. First is a string variable, second is the integer variable, third is a float variable, fourth is a boolean variable. So now we are doing the typecasting. So first, package, which is the integer variable, whole number which we are converting into the float. So package is the whole number we converting into the float by using the typecasting, and that we are storing into the package, and after the printing we are getting the float number which is the with the decimal value. Second thing we are doing is the experience is the float number that we are converting into the integers, and that using the typecasting, and that store into the experience variable. That value of that experience is 3. So basically decimal value we are converting into the whole numbers. Third is the company. Company is the boolean. Company is like the string variable. We are using the boolean function, boolean built-in function, and that we are converting into the that we are storing into the company variable. Boolean is like the true or the false value. If the value is the present, it will give the true. If the value is not present, it will give a false. So for the company, the value is the present into that variable. So we are getting the true value. Thank you for watching.